Another feature of this Emacs will be save and restore or open saved session. Those two icons here. We all know while working with Emacs you might end up with multiple files loaded from different directories, and you close Emacs and next day you reopen the session and you wish you have all those files loaded again in your session from different places. So those save session feature will help you with this. Well, what we do first, at some point in your session you decided, okay, I want to save this session. What's going to happen? Let's start test session, and I usually give SWS extension, so it's small world session. Okay, you just have to give the file name, and this is basically it. Then you will have all those files loaded into your session from different places, from different directories. Okay, we have quite a few files loaded now. Now all these files, and please note where in these files I will change the position of the cursor somewhere in the method. Here will be go, next file will be this method, next file here, next file here, next file this, and next file this. So we finished. So at some point we were working, we have multiple files loaded into the session. Now we're going to close the session. So end of the day we close the session. Control X, Control C. You will have this message at the bottom, overwrite desktop file, and you say yes to save this session, or you say no and session will be not saved. So let's say yes. Session will be saved, and basically this is a new session, new Emacs session. You started new Emacs where we have no files loaded. Here is the buffers. There is no buffers loaded, no files loaded in this session. So what we'll do, we'll just say open session, and let's open this session which we just saved. What's happening now? Now we have all those files loaded into this session, and as you can see, if I will go through the files, the cursor position stays at the place where we left it. Okay, so that's basically this feature. The next feature I would like to show you will be Control X, Control B, which is Control X, Control B, showing you list of all buffers currently loaded into your Emacs. You can use this to jump to the buffer. You can use this to save the buffers, or you can use this if they modify it. Like, let's do this. Jump to the buffer, switch off read-only mode, make some changes. Right, now you will see this buffer is start there, and you can save the buffer by pressing S, or you can delete buffers by pressing D. Buffers deleted, as you can see, they just gone. Or you can save this one by pressing S. Write protected file. Do you want to save it? No, I don't want to save it. So jump to the buffer. Let's undo those changes. What next with this Control X, Control B? What is useful? Control X, Control B. You can open file. If you open, you have this file. Shift F, and the file will be opened in new frame. New frame will be created. File will be opened in a new frame where you have more space to work with. Now, since you have two frames open, Alt F will help you to navigate between those frames quickly. Then what else? Sometimes we have two buffers open in one session. Alt B will help you to jump between those buffers quickly. Alt B. Alt F, jump between the frames. Alright, so that's basically it. Switch buffers and switch frames.